Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set sleeping apps to run in the background occasionally. Right, so do a swipe up and click on settings and go to battery. Then you want to tap on background usage limits, and from here you will see if you have put unused apps to sleep. So if this is enabled, it will put unused apps to sleep. But you can go ahead and you can make either an exception by click never auto sleep apps, click on that and then click on add and select your apps. However, you can make those apps run occasionally. So you can simply click on sleeping apps here. And as you can see from the description, it says sleeping apps will run in the background only occasionally, right? Updates and notification may be delayed. So you can add apps here if you have the sleeping mode enabled by simple click on whatever apps you want. Once you add those apps, then those apps will run occasionally. And as you can see from here, you have the amount of apps there. So whenever you want, if you want to remove apps, you can simply go back and then you can click the three dots on the upper right hand side, click and remove, and select the apps that you want to remove and simple tap and remove. But that's how you can easily add sleeping apps so that they can run occasionally in the background. Hope you found this useful, guys, and thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.